today, and it is from UniWigs. This one though is a human hair wig, and I'm going to show you just what it looks like and why I picked this one. This is her. This is Carina. She is a blonde balayage, and she's Remy human hair, and it is a lace top, which I'm very impressed with. The lace goes all the way around top wise. There are some gaps on the side here, and then there is more lace in the back, so if you were to make a ponytail, then that would have you covered. But this feels really soft. I can run my fingers through it. I don't see any shedding currently. Like, there's nothing on my legs, and I've been, you know, raking my fingers through her. So that's what the pluck looks like. This is the lace. It's pretty soft. I have felt softer and I have felt firmer, but it's pretty nice. I just really enjoy the fact that it goes all the way around. The hair looks like it's already been plucked. It doesn't look too heavy at the hairline, which I really enjoy. Okay, so I'm back. I cut the lace. I started brushing it. This is the only brush I could find right now, but I just had to show you like how easy how easy it is just to brush, and it just like so soft. So as you can see, cutting the lace, it looks so good. Putting your hair up where you'll have to like tug this back. You could pluck it, of course, to your desired, if you feel like this is too thick, but I feel like this is literally perfect. I love how it has this shape to it. Just looks super natural. Just like tuck it behind your ears. Like, no one would cue the TikTok sound. Nobody's gonna know. Same spot. Has not moved, has not left my head. So after scrambling my brain, let me show you a close-up and the length of the hair itself. The color, it just looks so good. It's very lightweight. It's not heavy whatsoever. It just looks so beautiful. I'm obsessed. It looks so good. Now, let's get into some other quick things about the hair. It comes with this little pamphlet, so it has the perfect tips for you. So a question that you may have is, can I heat, can I color, can I bleach the hair? Because it is human hair, you are able to do all of those things. So you're able to bleach it, you're able to color it. So if I wanted this to be pink because it's blonde, which is perfect already, I can dye it pink, purple, whatever color. Maybe you don't necessarily like all the dimension. Maybe you want to add more dark tones to it. Then you can go ahead and just like do sections. I'm loving that this has like the money piece, which is like when it's really light around your face, and then the rest kind of looks a little bit darker, and then we have like these blonde strips again.